You don't need intense workouts to slim your waist after 50. Just one simple Tai Chi move can loosen your hips, tighten your core, and melt belly tension. Gently, safely, and without pain. Ready to feel lighter in just a few minutes? Let's begin. Part 1. Warm-up breathing. Let's begin with a gentle warm-up to wake up your breath, your shoulders, and the center of your body. Stand tall, with your feet shoulder-width apart. Spread your toes slightly so you feel grounded and stable. Soften your knees, just a little. Relax your shoulders away from your ears and let your arms rest naturally by your sides. Now, take a slow breath in through your nose. As you inhale, gently raise your hands in front of you, palms facing up. Lift only to chest level, just where it feels comfortable. Imagine you're bringing fresh morning air into your body. As you exhale, lower your hands slowly, palms facing down, as if you're pressing warm, calming air toward the ground. Keep the movement smooth and soft. Relax your shoulders every time your arms come down. Let's repeat this 4 times. Inhale, lift your hands, open your chest, soften your belly. Exhale, hands float down. Release your neck and lower back. Move at your own pace. No rush. This warm-up is about waking up your breath and settling your whole body. With each breath, feel your belly soften, your chest open, and your mind become a little calmer and steadier. When you're ready, we'll move to the next part. Part 2. Waist activation. Before we move into the full waist circles, let's gently warm up your hips and lower back. This step is especially important if you're over 50 and tend to feel stiff in the mornings. Start by placing both hands on your lower belly, just below your navel. This helps you stay connected to your center while you move. Keep your shoulders relaxed, your spine tall, and your knees soft, just like in the warm-up. Now, slowly shift your weight to your right foot. You don't need to move far, just enough to feel your right leg supporting a bit more of your body. Then, gently shift your weight back to your left foot. Let the movement feel smooth, steady, almost like a quiet sway. We're not leaning or bending. We're simply transferring weight from side to side, the Tai Chi way. Let's repeat this about 10 times each way. As you shift, feel the muscles around your waist beginning to wake up, your hips loosening, your lower back warming, and your balance becoming more steady and natural. Let your breath flow easily. Inhale as your weight moves to one side. Exhale as it returns to the other. If anything feels tight, slow down. There's no rush and no pressure, just gentle preparation. When your hips feel softer and your waist more relaxed, you're ready to begin the Tai Chi waist circles. Part 3. Full Tai Chi waist circles. Great. Now that your hips are warm and your waist feels more relaxed, let's move into the full Tai Chi waist circles. Stand comfortably with your feet shoulder-width apart. Keep your knees soft, your shoulders relaxed, and your breath easy. Place your hands gently on your lower belly. This helps you stay connected to your center. We'll begin with slow circles, moving clockwise. Start small. Let your hips draw a smooth, gentle circle, almost like you're tracing the rim of a soft, round bowl. Inhale as your hips move forward. Exhale as they move back. Keep your upper body calm and steady. No forcing, no pushing. Just soft, continuous motion. Let's do 8 slow circles together. 1, 2, 3, feel the hips loosening. 4. Letting your lower back relax. 5. Keep the breath soft. 6, 7, 8. Good. Bring your hips back to the center and pause for one gentle breath. Now, we'll reverse the direction, counterclockwise. Again, start with small, easy circles. Let your hips glide as if they're floating in warm water. Supported, light, effortless. Inhale on the front of the circle. Exhale on the back. Another 8 slow circles here. 1, 2, 3. Feel the waist warming. 4. The belly softening. 5. Stay relaxed. 6, 7, 8. When you're done, return to the center and let your breath settle. You should feel softer, warmer, and much more open through your waist. When you're ready, we'll move into the next section. Part 4. Standing core. Squeeze now that your hips and waist are warm. Let's gently activate your core. This movement is small, simple, and surprisingly effective, especially for strengthening the deep abdominal muscles that support your spine and help flatten the belly. Stand tall with your feet relaxed and your knees soft. Place both hands on your lower belly so you can feel the movement clearly. Take a slow inhale through your nose and let your belly rise softly into your hands. No forcing, just a natural, easy expansion. Now, as you exhale, gently draw your lower belly in, only about 20 to 30% of your strength. You're not sucking in or bracing hard. Think of it like zipping up a light jacket, smooth and gentle. Hold for just 1 second and release again as you inhale. Let's repeat that together. Inhale, belly softens and expands. Exhale, belly draws in lightly. Feel the deep core muscles waking up, supporting your posture and giving your waist more control and stability. If your shoulders tense up, let them melt down. If your lower back feels tight, make the movement smaller. This is a gentle activation, not a crunch, not a squeeze, just a soft awakening of your center. Let's take 2 more breaths together, nice and slow, letting the belly rise and fall, steady and calm. You're doing great. Part 5. Cool down and release. Let's take a few moments to cool down and let the body settle after everything we just did. This cool down helps slow your breathing, relax your muscles, and bring your whole system back to a calm, peaceful rhythm. Stand comfortably with your feet relaxed beneath you. Take a gentle inhale as you open your arms out to the sides in a soft, sweeping motion, about 45 to 60 degrees. Keep your elbows loose, your shoulders easy, no effort. Lift your hands only to chest or shoulder height, whatever feels good for your body today. As you exhale, slowly lower your hands with your palms facing the ground, as if you were brushing warm air down the body, releasing any leftover tension. Let's repeat that one more time. Inhale, arms float open like soft feathers rising. Exhale, hands glide down, smooth and unhurried. Now we'll loosen the shoulders, a gentle way to relax the neck, the upper back, and the space around the chest. Inhale as the shoulders move forward. Roll them up just a little, and exhale as they melt back and down. Keep each circle slow and easy, about 3 or 4 seconds. Let's do 4 slow circles. And now gently reverse for 4 more. Good. To finish, we'll take 2 deep closing breaths to seal in all the positive energy from today's practice. Breath 1. Inhale, letting your chest open as your arms float outward. Exhale slowly, letting everything soften. Breath 2. Take another deep inhale, filling the belly, the ribs, and the back. And exhale long and smooth, letting the whole body settle into comfort. Notice how your waist feels lighter. Your hips move more freely, and your whole body feels softer and more open. You did a wonderful job today. This gentle practice is a gift you give to yourself. Part 6. You did a wonderful job today. Your waist, hips, and deep core muscles were gently activated. Exactly the kind of safe, mindful movement your body needs after age 50. If you feel warmer, lighter, or more relaxed right now, that's the natural effect of Tai Chi working through your body. Now you may be wondering, how long should I practice this routine each day? The good news is, you only need 5 to 10 minutes daily to see real benefits. These gentle waist circles and slow breathing exercises help reduce stiffness, improve circulation, and boost energy, all without putting pressure on your joints. If it feels comfortable for you, here's a simple progression. Week 1 to 2, 5 minutes per day. Week 3 to 4, 8 to 10 minutes per day. Week 5 and beyond, 10 to 15 minutes per day. Just increase your practice time slowly, about 1 to 2 minutes every 1 to 2 weeks. And remember, no pain, no forcing, no holding your breath. On days when you feel tired, even 3 to 5 minutes is still incredibly beneficial. If you enjoyed today's routine, I'd love for you to continue this journey with me. Please tap like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our weekly Tai Chi sessions designed specifically for older adults. For even better results, try pairing this routine with my 10-minute Tai Chi walking practice or the morning energy boost routine. Both are linked for you. Thank you for practicing with me today. Be gentle with your body, and I'll see you in the next session.